doing what?
No.
That's what
And also it was like another one.
Wait, is that yours? It's better than going on YouTube.
Look at my hey!
Double tap, double tap. You can almost get a diamond. Oh, you got one. You almost got a present.
Like you need Wi-Fi. Better. Better at your home? At your house?
Yeah. But is it better than I don't know.
You almost done? I don't know.
Redskins eat
If you've got wireless at home, you should be able to Skype each other.
I'm so good at this game. I got 3. Okay. I'm so good. I must have like 1,000 gems already.
Excellent.
I'm picking a new desk.
How much time?
Just go because I can just go.
Hi.
Hey, go.
What do you think?
This is awesome.
Everything is awesome. More than just awesome.
It's amazing. It's like amazing. What I said. Exactly
No, you
what I
didn't
said.
say that.
Yes, I did.
No, you didn't.
Hi.
Denver, how do you see your Oh, just
Oh, okay. So,
swipe. Just swipe.
oh, the different, yeah. Nice.
Where's the headphone jack? Where's the other headphone jack?
There's only one, sweetheart.
Oh, I thought there was
There's
2.
only one.
I was gonna listen with first.
There are 2 power outlets.
in this one.
That's the one, yeah.
You can
The smaller one. But you could only plug one in. You'd have to get a splitter. Honey's already got one in there. Oh, you mean to put the, yeah, you could do that.
No, but nobody was ever starting it.
Wait, don't study it.
15 creepiest true stories ever.
You know my password, that's all.
Yeah, but you don't know my ID thingy that.
You bought that?
Let's do this
Oh, I like your background. Pretty puppy. Okay. The Raiders. Nice.
Oh, you want to see mine?
Let me see yours.
Oh, wait, hold on.
Animal Jam. Oh, Raiders. Excellent. Did you pick a background too?
Yeah.
What's your wallpaper?
Mm.
Ooh.
My secret pride.
Show me, show me.
That's my secret pride.
Oh, that's nice. That's Cesar Chavez.
That it is?
Yeah, of course it's Cesar Chavez. Great union leader. Nice. That's a good one.
I saw a movie.
I like it. I like it.
Yeah. Well, my mom.
Well, still what? It's still mine.
No, it's not. You didn't remember it.